Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. It's been a really long time I've reviewed any speakers on my channel and you guys were also asking for the same. Well, today we have a brand new Bluetooth speaker to unbox and review on my desk. It's made by Tagg and it's called the Loop Wireless Speaker. It's their brand new model. They've launched it recently 2 or 3 days ago and I got my hands on it. So the Tagg Loop Wireless speakers come in this box packing. This speaker supports music playback through USB, so you can even use a pen drive with it, and also has FM support. Now that's a good feature. Let's see what else is written on the box. The Tagg Loop speaker comes with a 2400 mAh lithium-ion battery, supports music playback through pen drives, micro SD cards, has 3.5mm aux port on it, and also has a mic so you can use it for hands-free calling. So those were its features. Let's check out the backside. The company claims you'll get a music playtime of about 4 hours on the speaker. The standby time is 18 hours and charging the speaker takes about 2.5 hours. I'll let you know the actual results after testing it for some time. The price on the box says 4,999 but it's available for about 2,300 rupees on Amazon. So that was pretty much about the box guys. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I want to thank Tagg for sending me this product for review purpose. Okay, let's slide out the outer cover. And here we go. On opening the box, we've got the Bluetooth speaker right at the top. Let me just take it out. Nicely packed. And here it is, the Tagg Loop Wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's a stereo Bluetooth speaker with 16 watts of output. We'll check it out in a moment. Let's first see what else do we have in the box. You get a user manual. Make sure to read it as it has complete info on the product. Along with that, you also get a USB cable for charging the speaker and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, so you can also enjoy your music in wired mode. Now let's check out the speaker. This is how the Tagg Loop looks like. It feels solid in the hand, weighs about 408 grams. The build quality is very good. It's made of high quality plastic and has metal grills on both the front and the back. You've got the Tagg logo here. It's a stereo Bluetooth speaker and has a total output of 16 watts. At the top you've got the control panel, you've got music play pause, volume buttons and the mode button. The buttons also feel clicky and nice. You can use the mode button to switch between Bluetooth, FM and the aux mode. There's nothing on the left and right. This is how the bottom looks like. Let me just peel the sticker. You've got a rubber foot pad at the bottom and some info regarding the speaker at the center. It has a 2400 mAh built-in battery and this is how the back of the speaker looks like. The metal grill is present even at the back side and you've got some ports at the top. We have an aux port, a micro SD card slot, a USB port, a micro USB port for charging and on-off slide switch. So that was our overview on the Tagg Loop speaker. Now let's power it on, pair it with my phone and check out the audio quality.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, you have a tiny LED indicator beside the power switch. It's right now in Bluetooth mode. Let me bring my phone and pair it with the speaker. Turn on the Bluetooth. There you go, you can see the speaker in the list. Let's connect to it. And that's done. Now let's play some music and check out the audio quality. Holy smokes, the audio output on the speaker is insane. Oh, you can change the music tracks by pressing the volume up and down buttons. The audio quality is good. The mids are crisp and clear, the treble quality was okay. Coming to the bass was there, but it's not that punchy. Now you can't expect too much bass from this compact size. I've been using it for a while and let me tell you, I've never seen a Bluetooth speaker with this high volume levels till now. It is super loud and amazing, but I felt the mid frequencies and the vocals were a little bit harsh and sounded tinny on this speaker. The THD was also very less, up to 80% volume level, after which you can feel slight distortion in the audio. The quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. Let's talk about the battery life. It has a 2400 mAh battery and on an average I was getting about 4 hours of music playtime at 75% volume level, and charging the speaker from 0 to 100 took about 2.5 hours. So that was my video on the Tagg Loop wireless speaker. It's a good Bluetooth speaker for the price, extremely loud, the build quality is good, has wide connectivity options and the battery life was also decent. If you are looking for a powerful Bluetooth speaker with high volume levels, then you can definitely go for it. It's priced for about 2,300 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and I'll see you in the next one.